Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Eero Pro router with Eero app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Eero Pro router is powered on and connected to your modem via an Ethernet cable. Download the Eero app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Eero app on your smartphone or tablet. Create an Eero account if you don't already have one, or log in with your existing credentials. Once logged in, tap on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code located on the bottom of your Eero Pro router. Align the camera of your device with the QR code for accurate scanning. After the QR code is scanned, the app will automatically detect your Eero Pro. Follow any on-screen instructions to confirm that your Eero is properly connected. You will then be asked to create a Wi-Fi network name and password. Enter a unique network name that you prefer for your home network. Choose a strong password to ensure your network's security. Once you've entered the required information, tap on Continue to proceed. The app will now initiate the setup process, which may take a few minutes. Wait for the setup to complete, and a confirmation message will appear when it's ready. You can now add additional Eero devices if desired by selecting Add another Eero. When you're done, tap on Finish Setup to find your Eero Pro router is now authorized and ready to use with the Eero app. You can manage your network settings and connected devices through the app at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.